As we have understood in our previous lectures about reproduction in fungi, we see that reproduction occurs through three ways. It could be vegetative, asexual or sexual. Here in this lecture we would focus only on sexual reproduction. So one of the major types is gametangial contact. So gametes that are never released from the gametangia are actually coming in close contact with the fertilization tube, and here the male one migrate to the female one, and this is in the example of Pythium. So Pythium is a good example of gametangial contact. The next is Planogametic Copulation. Here two naked gametes come together, and these are known as planogametes. They are called as plano because they are not covered, they are naked gametes. And when they come together, they form a common structure. This could be either in the form of isogametes, anisogametes, or it could be in the form of oogametes. So three methods through which planogametic copulation takes place. But this is again a copulation where male and the female gametes would fuse together. The next method, as we see, is gametangial copulation. Now gametangial copulation and this gametangial contact are a little different. So here they come in contact in the fertilization tube, and here they copulate. That means they fuse the entire content. So that's the difference. So the example here for the contact is Pythium, very important to note, and for gametangial copulation it is Mucor. So here the chirogamy is seen, and whole of the compartment of both the gametangia actually the entire content fuses. Somatogamy is where the sex organs are not formed, but the vegetative hyphae take over the sexual function and they fuse. So Morecha and Pythia are good examples for these. The last one is spermatization. Now, in the advanced fungi, what happens is the sexual process would have minute male gametes and specialized female gametes. Now, spermatagia actually is carried by the water, air or insects to the hyphae where the female gametes are, and then these content enter the hyphae through a small opening or the pore, and this is the receptive hyphae, which is known as oogonium, and this is where the female organ is present, and this is the pore through which the spermatigia actually enters. So this process is known as spermatization. So movement of the sperm to the receptive hyphae, which is the oogonium or the female gamete. So these are some of the common classifications for sexual reproduction in fungi. All the three, asexual, sexual and vegetative reproduction in fungi, is very important. Fungi is indeed an important topic. We'll be covering many interesting topics in biology. Stay tuned.